So after you've filled the hopper with coffee beans, you want to make sure that you have it set to the right consistency for the type of coffee that you're going to brew. So I'm going to brew a regular pot of coffee. If you want to do espresso, of course you'd want a fine ground, but I'm just doing regular. And then you're going to set how many cups you want by turning this dial. So I'm going to brew about 6 cups right now. And then this little button here is going to be for normal, weaker, or stronger coffee, and I like mine a little bit stronger, so I've pushed it a little more towards the plus sign. Okay, and then when you're ready, you just push the button and close down beautiful. I'm going to lift that off. Smells delicious.